Hey guys, welcome to Cook with Nancy. Today I'm going to show you guys a quick and easy breakfast recipe that can be done in 15 minutes. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button right now. I will show you guys how to make this healthy breakfast recipe in 15 minutes. Here I have 1 cup of suji in a bowl. This is a fine suji that we use for upma. To this I'm adding 1 cup of yogurt. This is a thick yogurt. Go ahead and mix them until it's nicely combined together. Now I'm going to add 1 cup of water to this suji. I'm adding the same cup that I measured the yogurt from, and go ahead and mix them well until there is no lumps and it's nice and creamy in texture. Go ahead and cover it and rest it at least for 5 minutes. After 5 to 10 minutes, once the suji is little soaked up, we are going to add a couple of vegetables. Here I have 1 small onion, 1 teaspoon ginger, 3 to 4 green chilies or as needed, 1/4 cup of cabbage, green cabbage, 1/4 cup of capsicum, green capsicum, 1 large tomato, 2 green onions, just a green part, and 1/4 cup of carrot, all the vegetable finely diced or finely chopped. Go ahead and add them into the mixture. 3 tablespoons cilantro, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, half a teaspoon chaat masala, 1 teaspoon chili flakes or as needed, salt as needed. Go ahead and combine them well together. Now as far as vegetable, you can use any kind of vegetable of your choice. That's okay. Now go ahead and rest this for 5 to 10 minutes. Here I have added 1 tablespoon oil in a small pan, and to this I've added half a teaspoon of mustard seeds to crackle. Once nicely crackles, now I'm going to add a handful of curry leaves. Go ahead and make this tadka and add it to the semolina mixture. And now to this I'm adding 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda on the side and 1 teaspoon of water on the side of this baking soda. Go ahead and mix them well until it's well incorporated. Now here I have a tawa nice and hot. I'm cooking this on a medium-high heat, and I've added 1 teaspoon oil and 2 spoons of batter. Now go ahead and cook them on medium-high heat for around 3 minutes on each side. Once it's nice and brown and vegetables nice and cooked through, you can flip this and take this out and serve this with simple chutney of your choice. And this super easy, super simple and quick breakfast recipe. I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you have any questions, let me know. I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care guys. Bye.